This video is about the bid and ask prices in the stock market. On my screen here is a stock trading platform, and I have Tesla stock loaded up on the screen here, and you can see the current price of Tesla stock, and it's moving. The stock market is open right now, so the price is moving. What I'm showing on my screen is a record in real time of the bid and the ask for this stock. In the green column, this represents all the bidders. Bidders are people who have buy orders in to buy a stock at a particular price. And so in this case, as of any given moment, you can see these numbers here that indicate where there are bidders and the quantity that they're of stock that they're bidding to buy. So there's a bidder here at $215.63, $215.55. You can tell that the market's dynamic. There's movement. It's always in flux. And so at any given moment, the people willing to buy the stock at a given price might be changing. And you can see that reflected on the screen here. So the green column represents all the people who are willing to buy the stock and the price and quantity at which they're willing to buy the stock. The red is the opposite. These are people who own the stock who are willing to sell it. And you can see here that it's indicated what price they're willing to sell it for and the quantity that they're wanting to sell. So these are all people selling, and it's referred to as the ask. They are asking these respective prices for the stock that they own that they're trying to sell. So there's an ask. There's somebody asking $215.60, somebody asking $215.61, 63 cents, and so on. So these are all the people wanting to sell. These are all the people wanting to buy. Now, if somebody says the bid, that's technically referring to the bid that's the highest of all of them, which right now would be $215.56. That would be referred to as the bid. And some trading platforms will show you one specific price for the bid and one specific price for the ask. And that's what it's referring to. The highest price for the bid, which would be here, and the lowest price for the ask, which right now at this moment would be $215.59. So again, it's constantly in flux. Typically, the price that you're going to get at any given moment is going to be somewhere between the bid and the ask, either at the bid, at the ask, or anywhere in between. This price is moving right now. But right at this moment, if you were to try to buy this stock and you wanted your order filled, it's going to probably be at a price between the bid and the ask. The way transactions happen in the stock market is when the bid and the ask at any given moment match up. So if there's a bidder who's willing to pay a particular price for the stock, and at the same moment there's a seller willing to sell it for the exact same price, that's when a transaction happens because they both have the same criteria. But there's so many transactions happening so quickly. And so at any given time, you're seeing unfilled orders reflected on the screen for the bid and the ask. So the bid and the ask that's displayed is for open orders that have not yet been filled. And it would be the lowest price for the ask and the highest price outstanding for the bid. Now, this is Tesla stock. It's a liquid stock, meaning that a lot of people are buying and selling the stock, and it has a pretty tight bid-ask spread. The bid-ask spread is the difference between the bid price and the ask price. In this case, it looks like it's a few cents on a stock price of a little above $200. That's a pretty tight bid-ask spread. Now, other stocks may not be the same. Some might have a wide spread, and that means that the price you're going to get, it's a little bit harder to figure out because the spread is wide between the bid and the ask. Let's see if I can find an example here. Maybe Netflix stock. So you can see here, this is a higher priced stock per share, but you can see it's, what is this? Almost 30 cents between the bid and the ask, maybe even more at times. So this one is a bigger bid-ask spread. So that's what is being referred to when people talk about the bid-ask spread. If you have any questions about the bid price or the ask price, you can always contact us. You can reach us by email at support@stockmarketguides.com.